A very good morning to all my dear students. In previous video we have discussed about knowledge bank, but today we will discuss about happiest countries. Happiest countries. Students, you know that these are all happiest countries. Okay, first is Netherlands, second is Finland, third is Iceland, fourth is Sweden, fifth is Switzerland, sixth is Norway, seventh is Denmark, and eighth is Canada. Okay, students, today we will discuss about all these happiest countries. So let's see your book. Okay, let's see students, these are all happiest country. Okay, according to happiest reports 2019, here are some top happiest country in the world. Okay, first is Netherlands. This one is Netherlands. Okay students, you can see this one is Netherlands or Netherlands. Netherlands rank above the average in world life balance, job and earnings, housing, income and wealth, education. Okay, health and social connection. Over 90% of people believe they know someone whom they could rely on in times of needs. Okay, it has various world famous icon. It has various world famous icon. It is one of the richest country in the world. Netherlands is one of the richest country in the world. It has lovely canals, beautiful lands, windmill and flower market. Okay students, so these are all about Netherlands or Netherlands. Okay, now second is Finland. This one is Finland. Finland is sometimes referred to as the land of thousand, the lands of thousand. Okay, Finland is sometimes referred to as the land of thousands of lake. Okay, thousands of lake. Okay, there are many lakes, so this is called land of thousand of lakes. Okay students, Finland offers a variety of tourist attraction, okay, destinations and activities. Finland is famous for its glassware. Okay, Finland is famous for its glassware. It is the most happiest country of the world. Okay, Finland is the most happiest country of the world. Finland has the concept of free education. Finland has the concept of free education even at the college level. Okay students, Finland has the concept of free education even at the college levels. Okay, now next is Iceland. Okay, this is Iceland. Okay, the most peaceful and fair country in the world. Iceland is the most peaceful and fair country in the world. It offers low tax, free health care and free education. Okay students, in Iceland it offers low tax, free health care and free education. Iceland is known as the land of fire and ice. Okay, the land of fire and ice. It has some of the largest glacier in Europe. Okay, Iceland is also known for its dramatic landscape with volcanoes. Okay, geysers, hot spring and lava field. Okay students, you know that Iceland is also known as for its dramatic landscape with volcanoes, geysers, hot springs and lava fields. Okay. Now next is fourth is Sweden. This one is Sweden. Okay, students, this is the Sweden. Life of transportation is very easy in Sweden. Okay, life of transportation is very easy in Sweden, considering the fact that the bus routes go through Sweden all the way. Okay, people save money with gas cars, with produce less pollution. Everyone has equal access to health care in Sweden. Sweden is one of the most sustainable country in the world. Okay, Sweden is one of the most sustainable country in the world. 99% of their waste is gone to recycle and 40% of Sweden bioequivalable items. Okay, students, so Sweden is very beautiful country. Now next is Switzerland. This one is Switzerland. Okay, students, very beautiful country. Switzerland has more than 1500 lakes. Okay, 1500 lakes. It is not surprising that more than 60% of the country's electricity is produced by hydroelectric power. Okay, students, listen carefully. It is not surprising that more than 60% the country's electricity is produced by hydroelectric power. It has the most beautiful mountain, just like this, most beautiful mountains. Switzerland has 4 national languages: French, German, Italian and Romance. Okay, Romance. So these are all about Switzerland. Okay, students. Now 6 is Norway. This one is Norway. Okay, students, Norway has one of the best welfare system in the world. Okay, making sure that people who are unemployed or unable to work are given support so that they can lead dignified lives. Okay, Norway also has one of the lowest crime rate in the world. It is important points that, students, Norway also has one of the lowest crime rate in the world. Norway is the second happiest country of the world. Okay, the Norwegian capital Oslo has been the proud venue of the Nobel Peace Prize ceremony every year since 1901. Okay, now next, Denmark. About Denmark, students, Denmark most likely means land of dance. Okay, land of dance. Denmark has more than twice the amount of bicycles. Okay, listen very carefully. Denmark has more than twice the amount of bicycles than cars. Denmark is considered the least corrupted country in the world. Okay, Denmark has a high level of equality and very low crime rate. Okay, in Denmark, this one is Denmark, students. Denmark has one of the highest numbers of Nobel laureates in the world. Okay, Denmark has one of the highest number of Nobel laureates in the world. Now last one, Canada. Canada is this one is Canada, students. Canada is the world most educated country. Okay, world's most educated country. Over half its residents have college degrees. Okay, Canada has more lakes than the rest of the world lakes combined. Okay, Canada has the largest coastline in the world. Canadians are well known for their politeness. Canada has a strategic maple syrup reserve to ensure global supply in case of emergency. Okay, Canada's national park are free for kids. Okay, students, Canada's national park are free for kids. Okay, these are all about Canada, and this is one is Canada. So students, in next video we will discuss about next topic or next chapter. Okay, thank you, very thank you.